So what do you call me, Carol?
Big small cunts.
For those that didn't hear, that's big small. Big small. That's gonna go on a t-shirt one day. Anyway, for now we're gonna be getting coffees and then exciting times. We're gonna go for a surf this morning because the waves are actually decent. As the winter has finally started to trundle on through. When people do that on YouTube.
It's usually still warm.
That's true.
It's still pretty good.
Yeah, it's still.
Big small cunt? What?
No, what was that got to do with anything?
I don't know.
It's still. That's so. Oh my god, that is so.
Ah, dink.
Trying to pretend like she doesn't know what I'm talking about. Can you just like pretend like you've just taken that big bite? Like just put it up to your mouth. Oh my god. Like go more, you have to go more. It's just more normal stuff, doing some coursework, which is pretty exciting. Got a bit of shopping to do, which is also fun. It's the life of a housewife. Boys, if you want to know how I've sorted this life for myself, let me know in the comments and I'll give you some advice on how you can leverage feminism to become a stay-at-home sponge, basically. I'm not going to go into it today because the summer has arrived again and it's back to business as usual here in Portugal. It is a beautiful day again. The bulk has officially started actually now 2 weeks ago, and I've gone from being around 70 kilos to about 77 now. So I've gained 7 kilos in the last 2 weeks, which I'm very happy with. It's a big part of my life, the gym and fitness and nutrition and all this sort of stuff, being active. So I'm going to show a lot more of that on the channel moving forward.